Hello and welcome to the fourth session on Java 8. In this session, we will going to talk about method referencing. So let's start with declaring an array list of integers. We'll place some elements inside this list with the help of arrays as list. Now in Java 8, if you need to iterate a list, you can simply do it via for each. So what does a for each expects? So it expects a consumer type, and consumer is an interface which has one abstract method. Basically it's a functional interface which has the abstract method accept. This accept method takes an argument and it doesn't returns anything. So we can create a lambda expression for it. In the parenthesis the element, and in the braces we'll print something. We'll print the element. Let's execute it. So it's working perfectly. So now the thing is that this consumer method has an abstract method. This consumer interface has an abstract method which is accept. So it's not returning anything, and it's just taking an argument. Let us have a look at the println method inside print stream. So this is a method which takes an argument and it doesn't returns anything. It is compatible with this abstract method of consumer interface. So what we can do is, in spite of writing this lambda expression, we can tell the for each to use the println method instead. How we'll do it? We'll specify system.out, then goes double colon, and then println. Now let's execute it. So you can see it's working perfectly. So we are using method reference in spite of lambda expressions. So if you already have a piece of code, if you already have a method with you which is compatible with the abstract method of the functional interface, then you can simply give the method reference for it, and you don't need to provide the lambda expression. So let us try to understand with few more examples. So let us create an interface. We'll name it method reference interface, and inside this interface we're going to provide a method void display. Okay, so let's place functional interface annotation here. Okay, so this is a functional interface which contains only one abstract method. So now the thing is, let us create a method inside the dummy class. This will be a static method. I'll name it my method, and it will print static method. Okay, so now this method is compatible with this abstract method. So what we'll do here is we'll create the reference of the method reference interface, and here we will simply gonna give the reference of this method in spite of providing the lambda expression. So what we can do here is we'll say dummy my method. So now what we need to do is we just need to give method interface dot display. Let's execute it. So here is the output, which is static method. So as you can see, we can either give the method reference, or we can also give here the lambda expression. So we can just do this. Lambda. So now it's printing lambda here. What you can do is you can also give the reference of an instance variable. So now let's remove static from here and let's name it instance method. And now, in spite of using a lambda expression, we will gonna use the instance method reference. So we'll say new dummy, then double colon, and here goes method. Now let's execute it. So as you can see, output is instance method here. So in this way you can use method references of instance methods and static methods in place of lambda expressions. That's all for this session. Thank you.